Good evening, everyone. Um, Today I'm going to share with you how to check if your students have already responded to your quiz online using Google Forms. So, first to check if they have already responded to your quiz is to open your Google account. So, I have already opened my Gmail account. So after opening your Gmail account, you click this one at the upper right corner of your screen, this button, Google Apps. Click once, and then you scroll down this elevator, then click to Google Forms once. Then look for the quiz you have already created or existing quiz you have already created and sent to group messenger of your section or students. For instance, in my case, these are the quizzes I have created, online quizzes I have created last year, or electronic quiz using Google Forms. For example, if you want to check the students if they have already responded to your quiz or answered your quiz, for instance, this one, you select one of your existing quiz you have created. You just make sure that this quiz have already sent to the link is sent already to the messenger group of your class. So you click, for example, one of your existing quiz, this one. You just make sure when you write the title of your quiz, you assign file name or assign name to your quiz. You put a syntax, for example, programming quarter 4 module 1 quiz. So if you have created programming quarter 3 M1 or M2 or M3, so you make a uniform syntax so that you will not be confused of managing your quizzes, especially if you have already created many quizzes. Okay, like for instance, this quiz, I have already sent this one to the 3 sections I have. These are my quiz, and I am using this quiz to 3 sections, this one. So then I have required them to write the name in this syntax. So this instruction should be start with their last name, first name, then their middle initial. So I have already send a message to them that they have to follow instructions so that I can manage the quiz or the output easily. Okay, so when I am going to sort by last name, according to last name or according to their section, so meaning I am going to arrange according to their name or their section, so that I will not encounter difficulties in sorting. So that's why I have given them instructions to follow. Okay, for instance, in this quiz, online quiz created in Google, this we have here the responses. There are 75 out of 3 sections. So to check, just simply click this one to Google Forms actually automatically check or count the number of correct items per student. So it would be an easy for you to record kay dili naman ka mag-check. So you just make sure you assign the correct answer in your Google form. So to check, you click this responses, the number 75 responses to this quiz. Click once, and we have here automatic statistical data for this quiz. Okay, to check individually, you click this sheet, this one, this button, this green button. Click this one to open the sheet. Actually the database. So in this quiz actually, since dili man sila parihas kung kanus sila napit sa mo answer, and Google Forms database actually will record the quiz according to date. So from ascending order. So here their scores, the date kung kanasa sila nag-answer, and their section. So in this case, I have color code the sections because there are 3 sections who will use this quiz, online quiz. So here, these are the answers or the scores of the students. So no need for you to check. That's why it simplifies your job in checking. And the advantage is the students will, after the quiz, they already know their scores, and they can check if what number o unsa na number sila na wrong, unsa number na check. Okay, so after this, if you want a hard copy for the result and you want to segregate or to arrange the sections row and gen na magtibo na dong blue tanan o gang hertz magtibo na tanan during printing. So you can manage that one using Microsoft Excel. So pwede ka mo click the file to download this recorded database by Google. Then you after clicking the file, you click download, and then you download the Microsoft Excel file. This one, the file extension XLSX. So XLS is for the lower version of Microsoft Office. So kung higher version na, starting with lang unta Office 2013 pataas, that's XLSX, the file extension. So click this one to download. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you can see the XLS file is already done downloading. So to open this one, you click this arrow key, and then you click show in folder. So actually the default when you download is the file will download exactly, or will be saved in the downloads folder here, this one. So to manage this file, if you want a hard copy for this, for your record to monitor the result, or to assist a student's progress, you open this file. You can double click, or you can right click then open. Double click to open this Microsoft Excel file. Wait for the Microsoft Office Excel opens the workbook. Okay, you just click the enable editing. So In Microsoft Excel, this is called actually a workbook, ang tibuok. So, a workbook actually consists of several sheets. If you add this one, if you click here, it will add a new C sheet. And next, it will add another sheet. So, if you want to use Microsoft Word pa, page 1, page 2, page 3, or in Microsoft PowerPoint, that's slide 1, slide 2. Okay. So, this is in Microsoft Excel. The whole is called a workbook, and a workbook contains several worksheets. So these are the responses or form responses. So this time you can sort this one by simply you can minimize, and then you can highlight actually this one, or you can click this at the corner to select all. Then you can go to sort here, sort and filter. You can custom sort. Click the custom sort, and then you can move this window or this dialog box, and you can sort by. So I want to sort this one, or sorting means to arrange your data. So it might be if you want ascending or descending order. So sort by, I want to sort this one by column by section. So I want to sort this one by column D. So meaning ang magsunod mo follow ra sa EDSA. So I want to sort according to section, para gusto na ako na ang tanan blue magsunod-sunod, because Pro Engine tanan hertz magsunod. So para during printing, so i-hide ra kanimo to sections na just hide the section na dili nimo i-print. Okay, so you can add level. Then by, so for example, then by letter A, then by A, tapos okay, so order A to Z, oldest to newest. Okay, let's try to click OK. Okay, so we have you have already sort according to their section. So this time sunod ng hertz, sunod ng Pro Engine here, napay Pro Engine gani na ma-change ang color, and Rutherford. Okay, this time kung mag-print ka, you just simply, if you want to print only the hertz section, you just simply hide the other sections. This one, you can highlight and hide this one. Then you can print this. You can only print this one for your monitoring or for your class record. So that's all to check the responses of your students in Google Forms. Thank you for watching.